Hello everybody, today we are going to learn how to graph a quadratic function using Geogebra. First, we need to find which equation to graph. The equation we're going to graph is number 23. So first we need to write the equation in Geogebra. Now we have written our equation, that is this one over here. So now we need to find the vertex. So remember to use the formula minus b over 2a. So the vertex in this equation is x equals to 2. So now we need to change the addition of the line. We changed the color into red and into pointed lines. So there is the equation, and also we need to put the name as x equals to 2. So now we need to use the intersection tool to find the coordinate of the vertex that is already here, and to find the intersections with the x-axis, and to find the intersection with the y-axis. So the intersection tool is in this part. You give it a click and you find the intersection point. So now with the intersection point, you select the vertex and then you select the graph. This is the coordinate of the vertex. So now we need to find the x-axis if there are some intersections. So with the same tool, you choose the graph and the x coordinate place. Because there are not there are not intersection in the x-axis, there are no location in here. So now we need to find the y-axis where is it located. So the same procedure, you choose the graph and the y-axis. So there is the point of the y-axis. The next step is to change the name of the vertex and the y-intercept. So now you put vertex and now you put the name and value in here. So there is the name, and we need to do the same in the y vertex, in the y-intercept, sorry. We just need to put the name and value. So the next step is that we need to write if it is where does it opens and the domain and the range of the function. So we need to put in a text over anywhere you can. So the domain, it opens downwards because the function is negative. And the domain, is equal to minus infinite, comma, infinite. And we need to do the same with the range. The range is equal to minus infinite, comma, minus 1. So the text will be in here. So that is everything. Thank you for your attention. Hope you learned how to graph in Geogebra.